Through this program, I did learn how we want to learn from the other sectors and work together for the same outcomes. It has impacted in terms of my understandings of how we utilize digital to maximize or efficiently utilize the current work processes.
So it's easy to just focus on the what we are trying to build and forgetting about the why. So through this program, I learned how to think about the why in terms of transformations and how do we improve employee experiences, reduce the risk, and also making better decisions using data.
We are being guided by all these instructors on how to do digital transformation in our institution, which is a very, very much valuable experience.
Yes, I would definitely recommend this program to many people. The older generation, I assume, are still doing it the old way. So it's time for people to move forward. Whether they like it or not, the future is there. So they should learn and take this opportunity to gather knowledge and skills to be ready for future actually.
It's not only giving you the theory, it also gives you a hands-on practical knowledge as well, and you can apply it to your day-to-day job. It's also giving you the framework on how to do your transformation and also the strategy on how to execute it.